Hello all, today I am going to talk about linear regression. So before I talk about linear regression, I wanted to talk a little bit on a linear equation, which is very much important to understand before getting into a linear regression topic. Now, I wanted to take a simple equation from a linear algebra, which is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So this equation I can compare with y is equal to mx plus c. Here m is equal to 2. By comparing these two equations, I get m is equal to 2 and c is equal to 3. M is equal to 2 is a slope and c is equal to 3 is intercept here. So by using this simple equation, I can tell the slope and intercept. But I wanted to see what exactly the slope and intercept. So for that, let me write some points for x and y with respect to this equation. Okay. Now, when my x is having a value called 0, then y is equal to 3. So I just wanted to run some numbers through this equation so that I get the values of y. Now here the value of y will become 5. I think there will be multiple points you can just plot, or you can simply take another point as well. When x is equal to 2, you will have the value of y is equal to 7. So with these data points, I can plot the graph, right? I can plot the graph here with respect to x and y. Okay, so this is the graph x and y. Now I just wanted to mark some points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, now I have these points here. Now I wanted to plot the graph between x and y here. So when x is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. I have a point here. Let me just draw this. So I have a point here, right? Now when x is equal to 1, I have another point here, y is equal to 5. Now I can simply draw a line that goes between these 2 points, right? Now from this equation, you might be observing one thing here. The point where this line cuts the y-axis is called slope. That is, when x is equal to 0, you will get the value of y is equal to 3, which is called intercept. So this is called intercept, very important. Now let's see how we can derive the slope from these points. See, uh, from x-axis, when you are changing the x from 0 to 1, how much it is getting, like we get the value as 1. Again here the change in x, we have the value called 1. For every change in x, there will be a change in y, which is here with these points equal to 2. That means delta y is the change in y. Similarly, you'll get delta y is equal to 2 because it is a linear equation, so you'll get so on so on. Now from this data points, you can simply write slope is equal to difference in y divides with a difference in x will give the slope. What is the difference in y here? Here it is 2, and the difference in x here is 1, which is equal to 2 by 1, which is equal to slope, right? So slope here is 2. The same thing we have got it from the equation, which is m equal to 2. So this is very important. So now from this figure you can just see it from here. So for every 1 unit change in x-axis, there will be 2 units change in y-axis, which is 2 here and 1 here, and the slope is equal to 2 by 1, which is denoted by m, and it is equal to 2 here in this case. So this is about a basic concept on linear equation. All right.